Recently, we conducted multiple venue tests for the Xiaomi Expected GT Ti. The Xiaomi Expected GT can maintain a stable driving state in various extreme chassis tests. What are the core technologies behind it? Let's break them down one by one. The first test is the continuous speed bump test, which closely resembles our daily experience on rough road. Let's see how its chassis performs in terms of vibration and support. The vehicle passes through an irregular bumpy road at a constant speed in comfort mode, which tests the chassis's ability to control high-frequency impacts. When passing over continuous speed bumps, the Xiaomi Expected GT can keep the wheels moving while the body remains stable. The vibrations from the road rarely transfer to the body, maintaining a steady posture. The chassis is well structured and not loose, and sitting inside the car is very comfortable with no noticeable shaking. The stability of the Xiaomi Expected GT in the bump test is due to solid chassis tuning and two key configurations. One is the dual-valve CBC, continuous damping, variable shock absorber, which has independent valves for compression and rebound compared to the single-valve CBC. It can quickly and precisely adjust the damping force of the shock absorber's compression and rebound. Whether it's high-speed jumps or high-frequency vibrations from speed bumps, it can better control the body, delivering a more refined chassis performance. The second is the standard 5-level height-adjustable B-type dual-gun air spring, which has a maximum height adjustment range of 75 mm. It can stabilize the vehicle on curves and efficiently filter out small bumps on the road, truly balancing sporty handling and everyday usability. Next, let's look at two scenarios that further test the vehicle's performance. The first is the cross-axle test. The vehicle is in off-road mode and passes through a cross-axle obstacle section. The core assessment is whether the vehicle can successfully extricate itself when the wheels are suspended and slipping. It's clear that when the vehicle reaches the top of the hump, one front wheel spins in the air. The ESP stability system applies braking force to the spinning front wheel, allowing it to pass smoothly. When going down the hump, the rear wheel on one side is suspended. It can quickly identify the spinning rear wheel and lock the differential, transferring power from the spinning wheel to the other wheel, achieving a smooth extrication. The last test is the uphill climbing test. The vehicle activates off-road assist mode and engages the extrication start feature, climbing at a low speed of under 5 km/h on a 28-degree slope, with different traction on both sides. One side has high-grip iron mesh, while the other side features a polymer material road with traction close to ice. The core assessment is whether the vehicle will experience power loss, rollback, or loss of control on low-traction surfaces. The vehicle first slowly moves to the middle of the slope and applies the brakes, coming to a steady stop on the incline. Then, it continues to climb. The front wheel on the low-traction side briefly slips but quickly stabilizes the body. The rear wheel, supported by the LSD, shows no visible slipping, allowing for a smooth start and easy completion of the climb. With the support LSD, the vehicle can quickly respond to slippery surfaces like snow and ice or more challenging obstacles, distributing power and stabilizing the body for a smooth passage. The Xiaomi Expected GT has shown such stable and reliable performance in multiple extreme venue tests, and I believe it will provide every user with a strong sense of safety and a comfortable driving experience in everyday driving.